Tignan niyo yung puwitan niya, guys, kung paano siya umupo. Hey, alam ko yaman eh. Alam ko yan. Oy, wala akong class talaga. Oy, taga-bundok ako nga. Gina! I've been drinking wine, 2 big glasses already. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Nag-i-edit ako ng video. Ano lang ako doon, lingkod-lingkod. And also, guys, I'm kinda excited because yung kapatid ko got a phone, get a new phone, kinsain. Trying calling, but let's see if she will answer because she had a new phone. She want to buy Vivo, but she end up buying my phone. You guys tell me, guys, if Vivo is okay, like a Vivo phone. Kung okay ba yun, hindi tumubag itong sister ko. Hinay yata, signal doon hinay. iPhone yung nabili niya kasi mahal-mahal yung Vivo. So, yun. Hindi ako ligo. Maligo pa ako later. And, also, binalik ko ito kasi hindi naman mahugaw kasi. So, hala. Iba itong pagkain na binabili ko sa Costco. Ito yung Kirkland. So, ito try natin i-heat. I don't have any idea how, you know, kung ano yung my phone na yan. Pero, she said it's okay. I know Vivo is a good phone, but it's kind of pricey. So, ang nangyari, when I called them this morning, very early, like, you know, like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock here, midnight, or early in the morning, really. And then, tinawagan ko sila. I said, Dad, did you get a phone? And then, sabi niya, oh, ote, my phone. And I thought, iPhone, like, you know, iPhone. And then she said, I will call you back because they're still, installing some app like that. So, binaba niya kasi may ginawa siya. So, ang nangyari, ano ako, binabaan niya ako kasi meron silang ginagawa sa cellphone at saka may iPhone. Naano ako, tinawagan ko ulit, bahala na. Tinawagan ko ulit, Day, ang mahal-mahal ng iPhone. iPhone ka dyan. Sati, oy, may phone, oy. May phone pala, may punot-punot. So, yun, may phone pala yung binili nila. Come here, Roxy, come. Roxy, come here. Tignan nyo naman, nahiga-higa doon. O, parang correct. Parang true ka, come. Come here, Roxy. Tignan nyo yung, tignan nyo yung mga laruan, guys. Ay, nako. Come here, eat your din-din. Wala nang snow. Sabi ko kay Tami, I think that's the last snow. She said, yeah, right. That's what you said. The same thing last year. Winter just, why you have me bad look, mana, Roxy? Oy, bad look, oy. Hi, guys. Hi, little man. You want to play with my phone thing? Hala, tingnan nyo. Gusto niyang bumalik doon. So, gusto niyang bumalik doon. So, I don't shop. Ito dito, hindi ko na siya linisin kasi wala naman ditong kahit ano at saka doon lang si Habs sa loob. So, kailangan ko lang siya linisin after. Tignan nyo yan. It's close time bag. Oh, look, bumalik. Ay, naku. Hi guys, katatapos ko lang nag-video, nag-film. At itong si Hab, iyak ng iyak. Iwan ko kung bakit. Katatapos ko lang nag-film. At ito, si Roxy nakahiga dyan. I don't know where's Misty. Habs, come here, bag. Come. Come. Tignan nyo, nakikinig. Come. Let's go downstairs. Come. Come here. Come. Tignan nyo, nakikinig. Alam talaga ni, pagka-bright na lang gini akong anak na laki. Pagka-bright talaga ni bag-tibag. Okay, let's go downstairs. Come. Come here. Come here, little man. Come, let's go. Come here. Little man. Come. Tignan nyo, guys. Come here. Tignan nyo. Oh, my goodness. Roxy, what are you eating? Roxy, what are you eating? Tignan nyo, guys. Wala nang snow. Wala na kayong makikita ng snow talaga. Oy, meron pa doon, oh. Nakikita mo yung puti doon? Snow pa yan, na natitira doon. Hello, ba't may natitira pa? Alam nyo naman, guys, kapag spring na yung mga dahon lumalabas, saka yung mga bulaklak, gumagrabe. Hindi naman. Grabe yun, guys. Maganda pag spring at saka summer kasi yung surroundings dito as in maganda. Especially if it's fall. Yung tree talaga sobrang ganda. Hey! Hi! Hi, DM si Dimpler. Itong si Mysticals din. Hi, Mysticals. Hello, Mysticals. I love you. Yes, I love these babies. I love my babies. No, I love my babies. Tignan nyo, guys. Tignan nyo yung puwitan niya, guys, kung paano siya umupo. I love my babies now. 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 Tignan nyo, guys. I love my babies now. Tignan nyo how ganda she is. How pretty is my Mysticals. Yes. Do you need chow-chow today? Oh, I will do chow-chow next day, huh? I promise to do it today, but Mama forget. I don't wanna do chow-chow after shower, okay? I'm gonna chow-chow you. I'm going to chow-chow you, baby, when Mama is need chow-chow too, okay? I just finished chow-chowing. I love you. Yes, I do love my baby. I love this one. This is what she wants, guys, just to be like this all the time. Don't give up. Just keep doing this to her and make her happy. And it's tiring. She doesn't wanna play. She just wanna be rubbed like that. That makes her happy. This is what makes her happy. This like this. This is what you want, right? This is what you want. You love Mama, I know. I love you so much, baby. You are so special. Where is your sister? I love you now, baby ni Mama. This is very special, guys. They're all special in different way. I love her. I do love you. Where's your sister? Come look, check your sister. Come over here. Doon si Roxy. Nag-survey. Kasi yun ang gagawa ni Roxy. The first thing that you let her out, survey the whole area. Like every corner. She have to go close to the fence and then run to the boundary to the fence. Like every corner she have to check. Who's a crazy dog now? You won't believe me. You won't listen to Mama. No, you wiggle like I'm happy. Kain tayo tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga. Yung dalaw, guys, nakatingin sa akin. Tingnan nyo. Hi, tingin-tingin na lang kayo dyan. Wala kayong ginagawa kundi tingin-tingin sa akin. Ano bang meron ako? Mama, ang meron sa'yo is yung eyelashes mo. Bunggang-bungga yung eyelashes mo dahil sa Maybelline na mascara. Kakain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Itong sabaw na ano siya. Kasi butter, kasi ito yun. Ano ko yan dyan. Ganyan. Yan. This morning, natawa lang ako, guys, kasi this morning, somebody commented on my old video with me and my mother-in-law, yung kumakain kami. At saka, nagko-comment siya, natawa ako this morning, hindi naman ako ba't ito nagko-comment? Hindi yun yung reaction ko. Ang reaction ko, natawa ako, sabi niya, so, sabi pa niya, your mother-in-law, ang biyanan ko daw, meron daw class than you will required in your lifetime. Hey, natawa ako. Hey, alam ko yaman eh. Alam ko yan. Oy, wala akong class talaga. Oy, taga-bundok ako nga. Wala nga akong class, diba? Nakita niyo magsasalita ako. Wala talaga akong ka-class-class. Hindi nga ako nag-ati ng klase. Natawa na lang ako sa comment. Totoo naman yun ay yung biyanan ko noong sinaunang panahon, yung bata-bata pa siya, yung kahit meron na siyang mga anak, may ano yan, may mga yaya yan, at saka may sa mga anak niya may tagabantay, at saka siya nagpa-party-party. Mahilig yan mag-social, mag-party-party, yan. So, mahilig siya. So, alam ko naman may class yung biyanan ko. Hindi yan katulad, wag niyo akong ikumpara niyo sa biyanan ko kasi iba talaga ako. Itong personality ko, ikaw, alam mo na kung sino ka. Yung personality ko iba. Ganito ako, loka-loka, walang class. Hindi nga marunong mag-pronounce eh. Wala akong class. So, kung yun ang makapagpasaya sa'yo, so yun na, ibigay ko na sa'yo. Hindi ako class. Wala ang nasiplatan ko, yun ang nakita ko sa maagang aga. So, yun, natawa na lang ako. Just, totoo naman yun. Ay, wala talaga akong class. Okay, isa-shoutout ko na rin sina Sheila M. Hi, Sheila M. At saka si Lilian Baruma. At saka si Garnet Ogis, Ogwes, Angelina Julie. Hala, si Angelina Julie, nagko-comment. Nagbisaya. Oh. English pala. Si Angelina Jolie. Hi, sis Angelina. At saka si Nicole May. Palagi yan. At saka nag-smile si Lily Molly. Joy Puron. Hi, sis. At Nerissa ito. Hi, sis Nerissa ito. Shikera Mendoza. Hi! At saka si Beth Wilbanks. Hi sis, thank you sis. Oo sis, 7,000 na tayo. Thank you to all of you who subscribe my channel. And also si Mia Sandoval, always. Si Asian de la Pina. Hi sis. Tina Marie. Hi Tina Martin. Hi sis. At saka sina Normahal Estrada. Si Gina Matusalim, at saka si Exlia Dior. I think that's how you say it. At saka si Safia BT, at saka si Ili Loki, Eves Deruin, at Mirna Lampayan, Vids Lore, Josephine Albao. Hi sis, thank you sa inyo. Joy S. Beam is live in Netherlands. Hi, thank you sis for watching. Saka, yeah, so yun lang. Hala, uy, Ginoo ko Maria Hotipak. Uy, nagwa-wonder na siya. Nagwonder na siya. Oh, tignan niyo. Andun si Dimples, katabi niya. Hindi yan ni Roxy gagawin, guys, kapag andito yung dada niya. Alam niya yung dada magagalit. Okay lang naman. Ako, para sa akin noon, hindi okay. Pero ngayon, okay lang, eh. Kasi alam ko naman, ma-happy si Roxy dyan sa couch. Kaya nga, nilagyan ko ng cover. Kasi para makaano sila. Yung couch namin, kita niyo, maraming cover. Kasi gusto kong mag-enjoy sila. Si Misty, si Misty guys, marunong yan mag-jump doon. Kaso si Misty, hindi. Parang matakot mag-jump si Misty. Sanay naman yan siya noon guys, pero parang nag-stop ata siya. Yung bata pa siya, kaya niya. Pero ngayon, hindi na niya ginagawa. Pero sinasabihan mo niya, okay kami, sinasabihan namin na, punta ka taas, sige, ambak, ganyan. Pero ayaw niya. Andun siya. Sa kama niya. Maliit na kama. Paborito yan ni Misty. I came down here because yung si Roxy at saka si Misty guys walang magawa sa buhay. Nandun sila sa hagdanan, nakatingin na lang. So, I came down here para inom na lang ako ng wine. Gusto nyo ako makita, kaunting tipsy, yung makita nyo talaga. Sana andito yung asawa ko. White wine lang naman, kasi yung margarita, I think this margarita is expired. I had this margarita a long time. You know me, I don't drink that often. So, look. May expiration ba ito? Wala naman. Okay, ice. Okay. Okay, inumin ko to lahat. Dami, 'di ba? Kasi inumin ko 'yung lahat. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan kadami. Maano na ako 'yan. Mahubog. Malipong na ko. Hindi nga ako makag-muni-muni dito guys. Kasi itong mga junakits ko, tignan nyo naman andito na. Gustong umapil, gustong tumikim din. Si Roxy din kanina gustong tumikim. Little bag. Habs. I don't know what you want. I don't really know what you want. I don't have any freaking clue, mate. I don't know what you want. Lashing na ko, guys. Lashing. Tingnan yan. Yung flex. Ano tawag yun? Yung flexible ko parang umiinat yung katawan ko. Parang expandable na. Aray, masakit. Ano ba? Parang expandable yung hand ko. Parang expandable. At saka, I'm going to eat again. I'm going to drink again. Yung feeling na yung umi-expand yung skin ko at saka tumataas yung kamay ko. Yung parang kukunin ko while I'm sitting here. Kukunin ko doon. Kunin ko to sa taas. Yung even though I'm not a big fan of the taste of a wine, of a beer, but sometimes it's nice to feel like this feeling, you know, not all the time. And if you know me, if I will, kung sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon, hindi ako ganito, hindi ako pala hubog, hindi ako pala inom, yun. Pero sometimes when I feel like having a wine, even though one glass only, it feels so good sometimes, you know. It's not all the time, it's not good for you, but sometimes it feels so good. Like, your brain is relaxing, you're not thinking stuff that you shouldn't be thinking, you know, like that. I know mama's drunky. Mama! Mister, your tongue is everywhere. Ay, sana hindi ko, hala? Hello? Hi.
What's going on? That's funny.
I've been drinking wine, 2 big glasses already.
Okay.
Ay, nako. Kulikog. Galit your sister. Galit. She's right here, guys. Katatapos ko lang usap-usap with dami, guys. Hello, Mike. Lashing ako, guys. Lashing. Okay, hold on. My sister is calling me. Let's see if we can really talk it.
Go ahead.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't hang up. Day? Erning? Nagkaraoke ko, oy. Nagkaraoke ko. Daghan silag pandesal. Di ay nindot. Di ay diha kay daghag pandesal. Init ang pandesal yan. Ha? Oh, gilata. Anong gilata man imong pandesal? Gitusul nimos kape? Wala, dili unta ka magkape. Kay bata pa man ka, makadaot man ang kape. Pangpagwapo din ang kape. Unsa man na, ay nabaliktad man kinabuhi ani. Anyway guys, iin ko na itong vlog. Alam nyo, nalasing ako kanina. Karaoke ako ng karaoke. Hanggang tumawag yung asawa ko, hanggang nawala yung kalasingan ko. Pero feeling ko naman, masusuka ako. So pagkatapos kong kumain, feeling ko masusuka ako guys until now. Pero, ano lang ito, feeling lang. Kasi hindi naman marami yung nainom ko. At saka, yeah. Kanina para akong baliw na baliw sa pagkanta kasi feeling ko talaga magaling ako. Sobrang lasing. Na ako kasi ay parang may pagka-counting lasing. So kaya kanta na lang ako ng kanta hanggang nawala yung kalasingan ko. Kausap ko yung asawa ko, kausap ko rin yung kapatid ko. So okay na ako. Anyway guys, iin ko na tong vlog and matulog na rin ako. Actually, maghintay muna ako bago ako matulog. Hintayin ko yung asawa ko na tumawag, and so yun lang, hintayin ko lang siyang tumawag, and yung kapatid ko din. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you like this video. At sana nakasubscribe na din kayo sa channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night.